What we're going to do is remove the EasyJet head cover. There are 4 button head socket cap screws, 4 on each side, and I'll be using a 2.5mm Allen key to remove those. Now that we've removed all the screws, we're going to take the head cover off of the inkjet itself. We're going to lower the print head down onto the capping plate because in the next few steps we're going to be removing 6 screws. We don't want the bottom plate to fall and be damaged or damage the unit it's on. We're going to remove the heater harness and then the ribbon cable. We feel it's easier for our customers to start from top to bottom. The reason we want to start at the top is we're working with the electronics right now, and you don't want to forget the heater harness and you don't want to forget the ribbon cable, because one of the next steps is going to be working with the ink tubes. Everyone knows working with ink, you'll have ink on your hands. You don't want to do the process in reverse, because then your ribbon cable and your heater harness can be coated in a lot of ink, and nobody wants that. Okay. For the next step, we're going to remove these 4 ink tubes. These are twist connectors from the ink tank, and you simply push up and turn counterclockwise and it'll remove it. So that's 1. For the next step, we're going to go ahead and remove 6 flathead socket cap screws using a 2.5mm Allen key. There's 3 located on each side at these L brackets. Once we remove these screws, we'll go ahead and we'll lift the print head back up, leaving the bottom plate stationary and ready for the install. Okay. Once we lift the head up, all there's left to do is simply move the old bottom plate out of the way.